Welcome back, everybody. Damon Anthony here once again from FWE, and today we're gonna do step one, and we're gonna be preparing a couple of roasted turkey breasts. So these are just boneless, skin on, marinated turkey breasts. We're gonna be preparing these today in our tabletop low temp cook and hold, the LCHR 1220. We're gonna do an overnight cook and hold cooking via probe. So these guys are just going to get loaded up in there. I'm just gonna do a quick little seasoning, some dry herbs and spices. Get these guys loaded up into the oven. They're going to cook and hold all night. And when we come in tomorrow morning, we're gonna pull these out, show you the final product, and then just put together a quick little plate for you guys to take a look at it. So let's get into it. We're more focused on the cook versus the seasoning. So feel free, at home, or if you're using the low temp cook and hold, if you're doing these turkeys, season them up, prepare them with any type of seasoning and spices that you like. We're just gonna do a little olive oil, quick little mix here that I've got, salt, pepper, and some dry spices and herbs. It's just a little mix of extra virgin and regular olive oil, or not virgin olive oil. So we're just gonna give that a little rub down. I'll do a little oil under the skin, but just a little oil over to make sure these seasonings have somewhere to stick to. And I'm just gonna do a really nice dusting of spices on these. We're gonna go ahead and load these guys directly into the low temp cook and hold oven. I've had this guy preheating. We're gonna cook at 250 degrees. We're gonna cook to an internal temperature of 135, allowing for a little carryover cooking. And let's go ahead and get them loaded. So as you can see, I'm just gonna be putting these directly on the wire rack. And I just wanna get everything nice and tight. Slide that guy in. I'll go ahead and insert my probe. All right, and she's cooking. So that's all we got to do for these right now. We'll see you in about 18 hours. We are going to get to the main course, or the star of this show, the turkey. So we've actually been holding for just under 16 and a half hours. So again, that's the far reaches of the extreme that you would typically want to, or need to for that matter, cook and hold any proteins. But we're just gonna reach in. Let's slice her open, see what's happening. It's pretty good. Looks pretty nice. Super even cook. You can definitely tell there's a lot of moisture still intact there. So 16 and a half hours. Do I have to do it? I gotta do it. It's good turkey, man. It's really, really good. And nothing, and I mean nothing, is complete without some sauce, man. So just a little quick turkey gravy here. we're actually going to transfer this into the PHTT and hold this for just a couple of more hours alongside the vegetables. We're gonna be holding this at 155 degrees, 40% humidity. So it's at serving temperature here in a couple hours when we pull it back out and do a second plate. So gonna go ahead and get this guy and the other one in the oven into the PHTT, and we'll see you again here in 2 hours. So we are approximately 3 hours actually after the initial pull of the turkey. Did that pan roasted vegetable, put those in the PHTT approximately 3 hours ago. These guys have been in here at 155 degrees, 40% humidity. So we're just gonna go ahead and pull these out. We're just gonna try and show you here the capability of the PHTT to maintain a very high quality finished product. We had this product finished 3 hours ago, holding. So, you know, put yourself in a real life situation where you're bulking up your food prep in the beginning of the day with the ability to hold that product at high quality and serve at a later time could really be beneficial to a lot of different type of operations. So here we go. And then we've got couple of turkey breasts. Obviously I sliced those a little bit earlier, and then just that little gravy that I made earlier. Turkey breast is still very nice and moist. Still gonna pull apart very easily. Still gonna have a very nice texture, nice moisture. There you go, 3 hours later. Fabulous looking plate, super high quality ingredients, finished product that was done in the low temp cook and hold, overnight cook and hold, 16 hours. So again, by far the most extreme hold you're ever gonna need to do. Then a quick saute of the broccoli and mixed vegetables, and that's a 3 hour time difference from prepared to plated. So that's what we got for you to hear today. PHTT 12, LCHR 1220, tabletop cook and hold, low temp cook and hold oven. Have any questions, reach out to us, let us know how we can help. Till next time.